Hola mis amores, this is Massey with Masparco DIYs. Today I am super excited to share with you guys 4 Dollar Tree DIYs. I hope you enjoy this video and let's go ahead and start with the first tutorial. For the first DIY, I'm using this wood sign from Dollar Tree. These steps are optional since this will be the back, but I remove most of the paper and fill the holes with wood filler. I got this wood stain from Home Depot. It was less than $5 and this is the color stain I'll be using for all the DIYs today.
When we don't feel the same, we've come a long way.
Now for what's going to be the front, I repeated the same step.
No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade.
These wood blocks are from Dollar Tree. For this DIY, I'm only using the ones inside, and I'll be saving these bigger parts for a future DIY. I stained the blocks with the same wood stain, but since the wood was a little bit lighter, it looks different. So I'll be going back and I'm brushing some black paint on the sign, then I'll go on top with more wood stain to blend everything.
So keep on going. We got good things coming our way.
I then glue the blocks with some E6000 glue and hot glue. To hang the sign, I glued a piece of this Dollar Tree rope to the back.
When we got nothing to say, when there's no one to blame.
The succulents are from Dollar Tree and I'm placing the 4 of them inside the blocks.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day.
For the second DIY, I cut 2 circles from a cardboard. I drew a circle in the center and then cut it off. These big craft sticks are from Dollar General. I cut them in half and also I cut the round tips at the ends.
You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors.
Glue the stick to the circle just like I'm doing here and I'm gonna repeat that step all the way around.
Don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single
If you see that you have a spot that needs to be a little bit fuller, just cut a piece of wood a little bit shorter and glue it in that spot. I sand the back first with the wood stain, then I will do the front.
Cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave it wrong.
To secure everything a little bit more, I added a little bit more glue between each wood piece. Now for the small circle, I decided to stain the sticks in the circle first before gluing it. This way it was much easier and faster, and then I repeated the same steps, gluing the sticks in the same direction.
Always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere.
The basket that you see on top, I purchased that at Goodwill for only 25 cents, and I just stained it with the same stain. And now the three pieces together look like a set. For the third DIY, I got these two wood cutting boards from Dollar Tree. I sanded them down with a sandpaper, then stained them with the wood stain. This purple book ends and the two clip cups are also from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to spray paint them white. I want these to have a little bit more of a texture, so I'm going to dab the white paint with a sponge paintbrush. To glue them to the wood piece, I applied a 6000 glue, and I'm gonna let it dry for a few hours. Then stain some wood beads, and I'm also going to let it dry for a few hours. I used 24 beads. Once everything is completely dry, I'm going to glue the cups to the book ends. Cut a piece of the Dollar Tree wire rope and slide the beads on. I then glue the ends of the rope to the back of the wood with hot glue and E6000. Once the glue dried, I apply some of the wood stain to kind of hide all of the glue in the back. These candles from Dollar Tree fit perfectly inside the little jars. So once you're done with this one, go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other one.
I'm off to find a sunset, a flavor of a memory. Whenever all the stars above are shining, then I know I'll never be alone. Wherever all my she's maybe heading. A part of us will never leave. Oh, wherever in the world you may be hiding. In a while, I know you're coming home.
For the last DIY, I found this stick outside. I removed the leaves, I clean it, then also stain it. Dollar Tree has different mop head colors. This one is the plain white one. I'm not going to use all of the strings. I'm just going to use some of them. To remove the strings, you just want to pull it and it's super easy. Going to put the strings on the side for now, and I'm going to start with the ribbons. The ribbons that I'm using for this DIY, it's a mix from Dollar Tree ribbons and Hobby Lobby. These two ribbons are very similar. The one on the right is Dollar Tree and the left is Hobby Lobby. I only buy ribbons at Hobby Lobby when they are 50% off, and that way is super inexpensive. I cut a very long piece of the ribbon since I want the decor piece to be very long, then folded it in half to create a loop on top, then went over and under and pulled the rest of the ribbon through the loop. I then repeated the same steps for the rest of the ribbons.
I've been dreaming so much lately about your face when you're smiling. It's the only thing that saves me. Hey, I don't know if I told you that I think you're beautiful, and how I can't wait to hold you.
I didn't really cut all the ribbons the same length or measure them because I love the rustic look. But you can cut the ends at the end when you're done, or you can measure them to make them even.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything
Once that was done, I glued 2 mop strings in between each ribbon.
feels like I'm on cloud nine. I don't wanna be without you. This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you.
I also cut 4 pieces of the pretty flower ribbon and I glued them to the stick.
Right now, tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't care as long as I'm with you.
This eucalyptus is from Walmart and it was super inexpensive. I cut the stem with the wire cutter, then I'm also adding other greenery I already had.
Ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright.
I knew where I wanted all the greenery to be. I secured them with floral wire.
Cloud nine.
These cute succulents are also from Dollar Tree and I'm gluing them in random parts.
Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes. You can use them as a mirror, baby.
I used a cup hook to hang it on the wall.
Hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time. Dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make.
Okay, mis amores, thank you so much for watching today's video. Let me know down in the comments which of the DIYs was your favorite today. I'm currently working on the next DIYs. I hope you guys have an amazing day and I will see y'all soon. Bye!